Okay, hi guys, it's not framed. Okay, hi guys, it's Sunday today and tomorrow's gonna be work day. It's my first day to miss filming myself when I got up. The challenge I made, I missed it because when I woke up in the morning I was so hungry I ran to the shopping center and looked for food. Got some durian cream puffs or durian puffs, I don't know how you call it, and some rolls, like taro rolls. So yeah, missed it, but anyway, we'll not be doing any vlogs today because I'll be editing, I'll be resting. Tomorrow's gonna be work day, so fast forward tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, first things first, I just want to tell you that yesterday I forgot to do the morning challenge. I forgot to film myself when I woke up, so I didn't have any footage. I failed for one day, and this morning I woke up half awake also and had a bit of headache, and yeah, I wasn't able to do it. I was not myself because I don't know, I didn't wake up on the right side of the bed, I reckon, or I don't know. But anyway, for that, I'm gonna make up for it. I'm gonna try to do more vlogs within the week. I usually compile 2 or 3 days into one, but I'll try to do a good movie within this week or next week because I didn't do 2 days of that challenge. That's the consequence for me. I'm making that as I speak now. It does not go in all the days I'm gonna miss, but for that I'm gonna try to do one, and yeah, hopefully it's good, and hopefully tomorrow I won't forget. Yeah. Okay, back to regular programming. Not still stuttering. Back to regular programming. Here's the featured video for today. Check it out. Tuesday. Miss filming myself, but I need to hurry because I'm running late. Good morning. Hi guys, it's me again, and I'm using the A6500 right now for vlogging. I always say something about my gears, but I should stop doing that, you know? Okay, let's do it again. Hey guys, it's me. I'm heading out to do the laundry right now. It's kind of late, but the thing is I didn't prepare. And we have an early shoot tomorrow with Henrik. It's around 6 a.m. That means I need to be there around 6. It's gonna be a long day for us. I haven't slept yet. Good luck to me, man. Good luck. Anyway, gotta go to the laundry. So I'm here at the laundry mat right now, and I'm just waiting for my laundry to be done. My nose is so itchy. Okay, as we all know, I've embarked on a journey. Like, I'm gonna do the Habits of Excellence challenge by Levi. So what I had for the challenge was I'm just gonna wake up every morning. I'm gonna film myself, what I feel, how everything goes. But the thing is, what's happening is that I'm thinking it has no point. It has nothing to do with me excelling in something. It's just excelling. I'm just gonna be vlogging nonsense. I'm gonna be forcing myself to vlog nonsense every morning. I didn't find it very productive. So the thing is, also I missed 2 sessions that I need to film. So I felt it wasn't doing any good. So I have to change it. So I have to change it. I have to think of something else. But as of now, I haven't think of any replacements for it. But because my point of doing that habit is that I want to excel at something. I want to just maybe wake up and be able to vlog every day. But I just realized that it's just me looking sleepy, and it doesn't make sense. But anyway, I might come up with something else. I don't know what, but I have to. Yeah, maybe going to the gym or something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Just have to think it over. Make it a good one and make sure that it's productive. That's it. Good morning, everyone. I'm heading towards where am I heading? Currently, So it's kind of far from me now, but yeah, I'm on the road right now, so it should be alright. I think. Yeah, it should be alright. Anyway, check you out later, because yeah, I need to be driving. Seriously, driving. Bro, are you okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
Can I touch your hands? Hi guys, not a lot of filming today because I was busy shooting, and yeah, so heading home now. I'm tired. I'll see if I can go to the gym, but yeah, I still wanted to go to the gym, but I'm tired. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Okay, here we go. This is the entrance to the gym. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. Just being here. And I need to pump some iron. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think I messed up my focusing earlier and it was pulsating. So, okay, let's do this again. I'm heading to the gym now. I'm gonna pump some iron, but freaking recording this, filming this set. Then I set it on full frame mode with a non-full frame lens, so it has vignetting everywhere and like, yeah. Okay, this is the nth time that I've been filming this. The thing is, first I messed up, the focusing was pulsating. Then I set it in full frame mode with a crop lens, so the vignetting everywhere. Anyway, I'm talking a lot of jargon. I'm heading to the gym now. I'm gonna leave the camera in the car because I think this is gonna be weird out if I'm gonna be bringing the camera inside the gym. That's gonna be so weird. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Gotta go. See ya. Done with today's session, and heading to the shower now. Okay, I love going out to the gym at night because the thing is, there's nobody there and it's not crowded. So yeah, love it. Let's get in. Hi guys, it's been a while I've been vlogging because the thing is, I got so busy and I got a bit sick this week. Like today, my body feels like it's gonna die. I meant, it's not gonna die, but the thing is that, yeah, my muscles are sore and I don't understand. I feel tired. Maybe I'm just tired, stressed out, I don't know. But anyway, I'm on my way home now. And yeah, glad to be home. What I said from my previous vlog is that I've stopped the daily habit of excellence challenge, wherein I need to vlog myself whenever I wake up because I think it's stupid. I don't think it's gonna make me excel at anything. I don't know what the point is. I just realized that. But I've changed it. I'm changing somebody else. That's something else is something else that I need to figure out first. The thing is, I'm not sure if the other one's better than the other one, but I have something in mind. I just need to like make up my mind if that's the thing, or anyway, I'll explain it once I decided. Also, I missed doing the Joey. Let's do it again. Also, I missed doing the Jesse transitions for Instagram stories. Yeah, which is as unique as this one. Okay, I'm home now. I need to go.